In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp PDF document not opening or cannot open WhatsApp document or could not load object or WhatsApp unsupported file type problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, up-to-date your WhatsApp from Play Store. If up-to-date option not showing, then go to Google Chrome. Now search for WhatsApp latest version. Scroll down, tap on this link up to down. Tap on get the latest version. Now tap on download. I already download it. Now tap on download. Settings. Allow from the source. Update. Now go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset apps. Now open WhatsApp. Now open your PDF file. I hope that this method fix following problem.